severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, better known as COVID-19, is a type of coronavirus that was discovered in Wuhan, China during the last month of 2019. These days, it plagues our lives, and many people know what it is. But do they know what it actually does?
COVID-19 is a coronavirus that is part of a group of RNA viruses that causes a set of respiratory and neurological diseases in humans and other animals. Most people infected with COVID-19 will only experience mild to moderate symptoms that won't require serious treatment. Older people and those with comorbidities like cancer or any chronic disease are more likely to experience serious symptoms and might need hospitalization. COVID-19 primarily spreads through droplets of saliva or when someone coughs or sneezes. So it's very important that you maintain respiratory etiquette.
The symptoms of COVID-19 only start about 5 to 6 days after the virus is contracted. However, it can take up to 14 days for these symptoms to start forming. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are the basic fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Less common symptoms include sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, and even a loss of taste and smell. A person with comorbidities like asthma and cancer can experience more serious symptoms of COVID-19, such as difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain, and also sometimes loss of speech or movement. But if any of these serious symptoms are experienced, people should immediately seek out medical help.
COVID-19 treatment. Isolate yourself in a well-ventilated room with a triple layer mask. And also make sure that you discard the mask after 8 hours of use, or you can discard it earlier if it becomes wet or it's visibly soiled. In the scenario of a caregiver entering the room, both the caregiver and the patient must be wearing an N95 mask. Take rest and drink a lot of fluids to maintain adequate hydration, and don't share any personal items with others.
Stay home, stay safe, and get it educatedly right.